Good morning, guys. Welcome back to a vlog that I have not vlogged on my channel in a very long time. With quarantine, you guys know, mental health, everything has just been up and down. The world is crazy and I just can't function. I can't deal. So basically that is why I have not vlogged, because I'm at home and there's nothing exciting happening and all that. Today's Saturday and I got my yesterday, so your girl's feeling real bloated and crampy and crabby. I'm gonna put that on a shirt. Oh my god, I'm gonna put that on a shirt so bad. Today we are doing some essential errand running, and yes, I do have a mask. I'm not wearing it in my car because I think that's really stupid. It was actually funny. I saw a TikTok, someone that this guy did, this cop, and he said that he has had to go to so many 911 calls because people are passing out in their cars because of the masks. Like, they're suffocating themselves. There's that. I'm actually excited because I ordered a mask on Amazon, which is just a plain black one. I've been wanting to get a blinged up one that's all blinged out because I'm extra. Like, if we're going to be in COVID-19, I want to be blinged out pretty. So next week, finally, Blinged Up is going to restock her bling masks, and I'm really excited because I'm going to buy one. That's the one mask I've been wanting this entire time. I almost bought one from Fashion Nova that says off on it, literally, but I decided not to because I wanted the bling one more. So I'm gonna wait and get it then. Kind of paranoid. It was this guy that just recently passed away from complications from the virus. Graduated a year after I did and was friends with one of my friends, and I am in shock and I'm heartbroken. And a lot of similarities in his story remind me of David. Like, David is very stubborn and like doesn't like to call out of work and, you know, all that stuff. So he doesn't like to call out of work and all that. And in the story it says that the guy like never called in sick. Like, he was a really good worker and everything, which I admire. I admire work ethics of people so hard, like I do, because I feel like I work hard to a certain extent, but I'm also lazy, which it doesn't make sense, I know. But like, I just admire hardworking people that work their off, like David, my best friend Christina, all my friends, like everyone that has a better work ethic than me. Problem with that is that David is so stubborn. Like, when he's sick or like the day after he has a seizure, he goes right back to work, or that day he has a seizure, that night he'll go into work. So that really horrified me because obviously that's how this guy caught it, and he was trying to self-isolate. And in the article, like, it goes into so, like, it just gets so much sadder as I read it, and I was just so sad because I know I used to see that kid walking around school when I was in high school. Like, I know I used to see him, and that makes me so sad that like it got someone like as young as, he's 26, so he was a year younger than me, but like as young as we are, like that's just crazy. So stay safe, stay home, social distance, and wash your hands as usual. I've been kind of giving up, not on the social distancing, but just being home. Like, I need to go out. I need to do things. I can't sit my ass in the house all day because I was starting to lose my I've started to do essential shopping with David, and also because I don't want him grocery shopping and buying everything. I want to do the shopping myself. And again, all the grocery apps are backed up, so you can't even get them delivered. It's just a thing. But yeah, so anyways, on a positive note, I want to show you guys my quick outfit of the day. I'm wearing my pink Champion hoodie I got on champion.com. Don't do that. I'm stupid. So yeah, there's that. I would have totally bought this and got this cheaper at TJ Maxx if they were open, but yeah. And I'm wearing some gray Calvin Klein sweatpants and my knockoff Yeezys from Shein, and I'm wearing a black tank top under this with my Key Hindsight sunglasses, which I love these. I want to get another pair. That's just the day. I'm not wearing makeup today. I know, it's just like like horrifying. But I'm just more annoyed too because like I specifically felt like I was like, my cycle was coming all week, like literally all week since Monday. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday I did not work out because I was feeling really crappy, and I was like, okay, it's gonna be today, it's gonna be today, it's gonna be oh, she's got pink in her wheels. Oh, that's pretty. Anyway, every day this week I've been like putting off working out because I thought like, oh, it's gonna happen, and then it didn't, and then I finally got it yesterday on a Friday, which is ridiculous. So mask.
Here's his mask. Oh, he's so cute.
So are we considering this a fail at this point? So I meant to vlog this morning. I feel really weird. Oh, I have to get my scissors. Hold on. Like, I feel really weird about vlogging in the stores, and I always have, and you guys know that. But now, especially since this whole thing's been happening, I just personally don't feel comfortable. So I figured I'd show you guys some of the stuff I recently got in the mail. We've talked about my shopping problem, and yes, I am paying off all my cards, but I'm still shopping, but very minusculely. Plain black face mask. It has a filter in it. I don't think I should put this on my face yet. Put on face anyway. I will look like this now because I didn't have a face mask. I just realized I didn't even spray that. Cool. And now I'm gonna die. Cool. So we're just gonna... Did I just put my face into the disinfectant? Yes. Do I care? No. So I had full intentions of like saving my Target gift cards for my birthday and from Christmas, and I ended up using them because I wanted to get some more nail stuff since I've been doing my own nails, which I did do them today. Not a big fan. Gray ones were originally hollow, as you guys know. I did it over with this glitter polish, and I don't know. It kind of makes it look icy, but it's weird. I don't know. I don't know how I feel about it. Well, I'm so happy that they put everything in a, ma'am, in a small box. So first thing I got, I didn't use my Target card. Basically, I didn't use my Target card for any of this. I don't know why this is so difficult for me to say. Got another shirt. This is the other one that I wanted. I love it so much. Love it, love it, love it, love it. And then I got a 3-pack of lightning speed nail glue from Kiss. You can't really see, but it's the Kiss glue that I use with my dipping powder. So I got more. And then I bought oh, this is really dirty. I don't know. You can't see the brand, but it's the Native Coconut and Vanilla deodorant. I love this one. I got a replacement because my deodorant's gonna run out soon. Thing that's supposed to be here, but it's not coming till Monday. My glitter. I bought like a whole, why can't I ever talk? Losing my train of thought. Pack of like 20 glitter to do dip powder with. Like to dip my fingers in glitter, which I'm so excited about. Really pumped for that, but that's not coming till Monday, and I didn't want to wait anymore to repaint my nails, so this is what they look like now. Kind of plain basic. I was debating on giving myself a pedicure today. Might do that. And I have Danielle's Zoom party thing tonight. She's like, I want to drink and have a good time, but the thing with me is, fun fact, I'm not a big drinker in general. Like, I'm just not. So shout out to my jeans for that. As I told you guys, I just got my cycle. I don't want to drink when I'm on my period. Like, I just don't want to do that. Show up for a bit and just be like, what's going on, you know, just I don't know. And I'm just really like social anxiety, like even though it's a Zoom call with a bunch of other people and Danielle, it's not like it's gonna be like in person. It's still awkward. I don't do parties. I don't know. I don't do a lot of things, but I want to try and be better at it. I just don't know how to communicate with people. That's my problem. Even my own friends I haven't seen in a long time. Like, I know Alba's gonna watch this. So like, Alba came and visited me outside my window this week. I think I accidentally sprayed the Lysol on my Chick-fil-A cup, and now all the red's coming off. That's cool. I've been like talking to her. I'm just so awkward. Like, why am I awkward? Why do I do this? Why do I talk weird to people? Like, I don't understand. It's just a really annoying thing for me. I don't know. I'm definitely gonna try and get better. I definitely want to have a girls trip. I wanted to do it last year, summer of 2018 after my wedding, but we couldn't make it happen. Last summer I wanted to do it, but everyone was busy or work. This summer I wanted to do it, but we have the coronavirus. So at this point, like, my life, like, just why? Like, it's just no point. I do really want to do that again because I had so much fun of my bachelorette weekend. Like, I had so much fun. It was just so nice to get away with all my friends and go to the beach and go out to eat and stuff. And it was just really nice. Never want, and how they decorated the hotel room with, you know, penises everywhere, because ladies and gents, you know, definitely gonna make a plan for that. So I know all 3 of you gals watch my videos and have been in quarantine, so we're gonna make it happen when we're able to. Which, speaking of, I've talked about in a few videos, David and I's 2nd wedding anniversary is next month. Our anniversary is on a Monday, but I wanted to go to Mesquamaket over the weekend originally and have like another like little mini weekend getaway. I wasn't sure if we were going to be able to, but I guess Rhode Island is lifting their stay-at-home order as of today that I'm filming this on Saturday, that the order is like lifted and everything. Obviously still have to practice social distancing and all that kind of stuff. I guess Rhode Island only had like just over 10,000 cases total in the whole state, and then there's Connecticut with over 30,000 because we suck. Hi. I don't know how it's going to be. Like, I really want to go. I really want to go to the beach this summer and to the lake, and I don't want to ruin summer. I really do, not even just for myself, but for all of you guys out there too. And it's just like, I feel bad enough that like people's graduations are getting canceled, college and in high school and everything. Like my town's high school is having a drive-by graduation, like a drive-through graduation, and I just am like, that's not fair. They don't get to have the experience. But then again, maybe they would like it better if they hated the rest of high school like me. Anyway, so moving on from all of that, got a new comforter. It is white. I'm aware. I wanted something lighter. I've come to realize that I hate having a duvet cover. That is what is on our bed right now. You guys remember my Realtree comforter, my pink one? It's inside the duvet cover. It has been for the last couple years, and I'm just over it, and I wanted something lighter for the summer too. It was like, we need a different comforter, but It has to be very neutral because David doesn't want flowers. He doesn't want, I wanted to get one that had like cherries all over it because I was like, oh, it's for the summer, it's cute. And he's just like, no. Because obviously he used to share the bed too. So, you know, you gotta compromise with your man. I got this one off Amazon, which he's not happy about me buying. He's not happy when I buy anything. Let's be real. Plan originally was to wash this before I used it. But I do not have a washer. Since it's especially coronavirus, don't feel comfortable going down to the downstairs where there is laundry, like where there's washers and dryers and using it, because other people use it. And I don't want the corona. For this long, we've been going to my mom's, but my mom apparently isn't washing her blankets and comforters in their washer and dryer anymore because it's starting to break down. So she takes them to the laundromat now, which I'm just like, okay, cool. Like, but for me, I'm just like, I think I'm actually gonna get that cute little apartment one I've seen on TikTok, seen people talk about, so I can at least like do laundry and just hang it dry here and don't have to worry about, I don't have to worry about taking my laundry anywhere, and I'm not gonna like, I don't know, I wanted to do that to begin with, but now that's, I can still take my laundry to my mom's. I've still been seeing my mom throughout this whole thing because like that's not, ooh, it stinks. You guys are probably wondering, Sam, so you opened up the comforter, it stinks. Like, it smells like, can't put into words, it just stinks. So we're actually gonna take this in the beauty room, lay it on the floor, and I'm gonna spray it with some Lysol, which I usually just keep this by the door to spray on like shoes or packages or anything. But that's definitely what I'm gonna be doing for this. Woo, I knew it. So yeah, but this comforter, like I said, is not like, it's really thin. Like, I don't think I've ever had a thin one. So this is gonna be fun. I'm excited. It's literally gonna be called hiding packages from my husband. Or just sneaking them in while he's playing video games. I did a bad thing. And as you guys saw, I just sprayed the box. So let's get into this, shall we? I mean, I feel like I've been pretty good during quarantine, but I've also been bad because I thought I heard him get up. I told you guys in my quarantine favorites that I have fallen head over heels in love with Sol de Janeiro. The Sephora sale, just as a refresher, I wasn't able to order anything because Sephora wouldn't let me put payment information in for some reason. It just kept popping up as an error, and I was like, okay, well, I'm not that broke where my card's gonna be declined, okay? But like, I actually ended up ordering a bunch of stuff off of Sol de Janeiro's site instead because I don't like Sephora anymore. Well, for now, we'll see how long that lasts, but I'm so excited. A lot of stuff. So let's go through it. I have been wanting, okay, good. Oh my God, I thought I got 2 shampoos. I've been wanting to try the Sol de Janeiro shampoo and conditioner for so long. So I'm so excited that I have them, but I feel like they're kind of tiny. Sample of the Sol de Janeiro perfume, which I do want to get. Another shower gel because I love this shower gel, and I got a giant Brazilian, I guess it's called Boom Boom cream, not Bum Bum cream, like whatever. Again, uncultured swine. Hi, how are you? So I got one of those. Maybe these little tines because they're so cute, and it has the little fragrance mist in there. I got Coco Cabana, Sol de Janeiro, and the Boom Boom cream in there. I wanted this specifically because I wanted to try the Coco Cabana body wash that they just came out with, so I got little sets. This was actually free with my order. They gave me a little mini version of the candle, which I'm so excited about. Oh my God, like, oh my God, I'm so excited. I really feel like this Sol de Janeiro is just like it for me now. Like I'm obviously going to use up everything else I have first. Why is this so difficult to open? I want the bigger version of this candle too. Oh my God, it's so cute. Look how cute it is, so tiny. Oh my God, we're definitely gonna be burning this. Sam acting crazy for like 5 minutes. Just like, oh God, it smells so good. If you've never smelled this, or you, this quarantine's making me a little crazy, clearly. Yeah, this is basically everything I got, and apparently these are carry-on ready. I hopefully will be going on a plane and conquering my fear. I don't know when that's gonna happen now because of everything going on in the world, but I love Sol de Janeiro, and yes, I already have a set of like little minis and stuff, but I like to save those for trips. Anyways, this is my little Sol de Janeiro haul. Hope you guys enjoyed it as part of the vlog. Tomorrow's Mother's Day. I don't know what I'm doing for my mom yet. No idea. And then another haul. Hopefully nothing else shows up today. I really didn't think this was all gonna show up this fast because I ordered it like Wednesday. So wow, like despite this pandemic, Sol de Janeiro's has got us covered. So I'm excited. This is seriously, when I say, you guys, that nothing has made my skin softer, I'm not lying. This and this, I'm never using anything else. Seriously. I'll see you guys later. Sorry, it's a kind of boring day today. I don't know. This is just the life in quarantine. And I also put my watermelon banner up finally, so you'll see that in a lot more videos. I'm excited. So see you guys later tomorrow. I don't know yet. We'll see.